Hey friends, if you wish to enable or disable user account control in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Search for UAC or user account control in the Windows search bar. Click on change user account control settings. Now, if it is selected and never notify, it is disabled. Any other option means that it's enabled, but you need to check the degree. So the first degree says that notify only when apps try to make changes and do not dim the desktop. The second one will notify when apps try to make changes, okay, but they do not notify when you are making changes to Windows settings. And the top one is like very strict. So I prefer not to notify because I'm using a home computer. Unless you have multiple users, it is always advisable to select not notify. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.